Hello dear students, this is a message for you. I created this video course for you as a reminder of what we do all the time, and it could be overwhelming. There's a lots of information constantly bombarding you. It's actually when you're coming to our lessons, we teachers constantly telling you what you are doing wrong. So this is the course is the reminder of all the things that you are doing right. You can always come back to it whenever you see fit. I created this course intentionally in order that you see as a playlist. However, you're knowledgeable, you're experienced, and you can watch it in any order you see fit. Any lecture will be a great reminder to what is happening on our lessons and what you can practice on your own when I'm not there. So have fun and enjoy.